A monkey buys shares in a company that makes garden gnomes. He's never seen a gnome, doesn't own a garden, but the chart looked promising. By breakfast, he's a millionaire. By lunch, he's Googling how to eat moss. Turns out, the CEO posted a picture of a banana upside down, and the market collapsed. Welcome to stocks, where monkeys buy invisible slices of companies they don't understand, based on vibes, forums, and the full moon. It's not gambling, it's portfolio diversification. A stock is a tiny slice of a company. Buy one, and you officially own one microscopic shard of something like Banana Logistics Incorporated. Do you get a say in decisions? No. Do they even know you exist? Also no. But technically, you're now a business monkey. Congratulations. You might own 1/1 million shares, or just one. It doesn't matter. What you've really bought is a certificate of optimism. The value of that slice jumps around constantly, not based on logic, but based on how other monkeys feel about the company that day. If the CEO sneezes, stock goes down. If the company renames itself Bananaverse AI Holdings, it triples. No one knows why, but if it goes up, genius. If it goes down, market manipulation. Welcome to ownership in the jungle. Monkeys buy stocks for many noble reasons. Freedom, retirement, passive income, or just because another monkey shouted "to the moon" on a forum at 3 a.m. Some genuinely believe they're building wealth. Others just don't want to be the only one not building wealth. And then there's the FOMO, fear of missing out, the jungle's most powerful financial force. One minute you're minding your own business, next minute you've thrown 200 leaves into a company that makes smart collars for pigeons. Why? Because your cousin's mate's Bob had said it's undervalued. And if it goes well, you were early, visionary, or financial genius. If it crashes, not your fault. It was the economy, the algorithm, Mercury and retrograde. Monkeys buy stocks because all the other monkeys are buying stocks, and no one wants to be the only ape without a banana when the music stops. The stock market loves to pretend it's civilized. Graphs, glossy reports, monkeys in suits using words like valuation and synergy. But behind the curtain, it's chaos in a tie. There's the insider monkey selling just before bad news magically leaks. The algorithm trader firing 10,000 orders in 1 second, crashing the system. And your average monkey panic buying because the logo changed from blue to green. One whisper can move a stock. One tweet can wipe out millions of leaves. And half the time no one knows who actually owns what. Then there's the earnings report. If profits rise by 2% instead of 3%, the market collapses in a screaming tantrum. It's not logic, it's theater, and you're paying for a front row seat with every banana you own. Because when the jungle dresses up as a bank, it's still a jungle, just with more spreadsheets. Suddenly, everyone's an investor. Your cousin, your dentist, that squirrel with the podcast. Monkeys who couldn't spell dividend last week are now quoting Warren Buffett in banana cafes. Leaf trading apps pop up everywhere. Invest in under 60 seconds, because that's how long deep financial thinking should take. Monkeys spend more time checking charts than looking for actual food. Every conversation starts with, "Mate, have you seen Leaf Corp? It's about to blow," followed by, "This is not financial advice." There's Telegram groups, Discord channels, jungle meetups, monkeys in hoodies spouting about candlesticks and calling themselves market analysts as to one good trade. One monkey buys, another monkey buys. Suddenly the whole troop is chasing a banana they've never tasted from a company they've never heard of, run by a CEO who might not exist. It's not investing, it's mass hysteria with better branding. And snacks. Once upon a time, there was a company that sold physical video games in shopping centers. Yes, physical. Yes, shopping centers. Wall Street said it was doomed. But a bunch of monkeys online said, let's buy it anyway. And they did, by the thousands. The price exploded. Not because the company did anything clever, but because chaos is fun. Suddenly, billion-leaf hedge funds were panicking. Giant financial gorillas taken down by internet monkeys in hoodies. It became a movement, a revolution, a meme war with actual money behind it. Then the trading app, beloved by monkeys everywhere, decided to pause the buy button. Just the buy button, for reasons. And just like that, the market stopped being free. Turns out it's only a fair game when the right monkeys are winning. Game stunk wasn't just a stock, it was a moment. Proved that the jungle has Wi-Fi now, and no one's in charge anymore. After the chaos came the solutions. The Monkey Council stepped in. They formed a task force, issued leaflets, suggested a 12-point reform plan that no one read. Regulators said we must protect retail monkeys, while clonally protecting the hedge fund gorillas behind the scenes. Meanwhile, shiny new apps appeared, investing for everyone, with fun colours, animations, in hidden fees deeper than a rainforest hole. Now every monkey can trade stocks with one thumb while dangling from a tree. Education, optional. Risk, minuscule according to the marketing team. 1 minute you're up 20 bananas. Next minute your app crashes and your portfolio is worth 1 leaf and a vague apology. The jungle wanted fairness, got push notifications instead. Because the real innovation wasn't financial, it was how fast they could monetize hope. In theory, buying stocks is about long-term vision, owning a piece of the future, letting your leaves grow while you nap in a song. In reality, it's monkeys gambling with graphs, desperately trying to outsmart each other while pretending it's strategy. Every crash is a surprise. Every boom is a genius move, even when it's fueled by 0 profits and 1 good meme. The jungle doesn't reward wisdom, it rewards timing, in blind luck disguised as confidence. But here's the secret. No one truly knows what they're doing. Not the traders, not the analysts, not the CEO and not the letter print die. And once you realize that, you stop chasing the next big thing and start questioning why we built this nonsense in the first place. Stocks are not evil. They're just misunderstood. Like that one monkey who keeps buying airline shares turning a thunderstorm. So, if a monkey tells you he's found the next Amazon, ask him if it's the rainforest or the website. Either way, he's probably wrong. Remember, stocks go up, then they go down, then everyone blames a bird strike, a press release, or Mercury in retrograde. Invest if you won't, panic if you must, but never forget, the only thing truly consistent in a market is the monkey shouting buy just before everything collapses. Ape strong. Please subscribe. Monkey needs bananas and maybe a regulated jungle.